you are in a position where you are at the moment.
Section 1 of PACE. I did that, did I?
Yes,
you're the one
did.
that launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit. Like,
well, yeah, because you were flying
you could have
from
just waited
over
for
the
some
police
drone.
What?
Oh, I just like flying drones.
Yeah, not outside the police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I'm really, really sorry about that. I should have known better.
No.
So what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Okay. So should I not be doing that?
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
Okay. Well, I think someone's gonna come and see you.
There's really no need.
The interaction starts on an unusual note. She quickly claims that filming isn't allowed and says she'll call others over. It's a small but telling moment. The tone, the body language, and the immediate assumption that something is wrong all shape what follows. There's no legal basis offered and no attempt at discussion, just an early warning and the suggestion of escalation.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer and you're
are you?
doing this, under the police station, so why are you
Oh,
here?
I'm really sorry.
Well, you know that it's a police station, so why are you doing this in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So who are you guys? Like, you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on, right.
What do you mean, hang on? Can you no, get your hand off me.
Can we call a unit, please?
No, hold on. What are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, bring it down now. No, I don't. Because you're looking into the backyard of a police station.
What, is that not allowed?
No, it's
Why not
allowed.
Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah.
I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you just
someone
right.
call the
So are the girls.
Can you get some uniform police here, please?
Yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No,
what do
you're
you
not
mean
leaving now.
What, am I detained? What's going on
Well, you're
then?
not leaving
No,
now.
I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filming the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving.
So what are you detaining me under?
This is a clear display of serious incompetence. As he tries to leave, he asks a straightforward question, "Am I being detained?" Instead of answering, the officers avoid it entirely, as if basic due process doesn't exist. Not one of them can identify a legal power. Not one offers a reason. They simply stand there, saying nothing meaningful. This isn't effective policing, it's an assertion of authority without justification. Wearing a uniform doesn't excuse a lack of knowledge or accountability. What we're seeing is a group of officers unable to explain or defend their own actions. Under Section 2 of PACE, they are legally required to state the power they're using and the grounds for it. Instead, the response is confusion, contradiction, and what appears to be an unlawful detention.
What's going on?
Call the option.
Is anyone calling you?
So what am I detained under? Otherwise I'm
No, 'cause
leaving.
we need to know what footage you've got.
No,
on
you
your
don't need
phone
to look.
and
You don't need to look at
Yeah,
anything.
because
No,
you're
you
filming
don't.
a police station.
And I can film it. No, sorry, I'm leaving. Get your hand off me. Don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
That's mine.
Don't take. Why are you taking photos of me? Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get someone
You just
to
assaulted
calm
me
down.
numerous times without even detaining me. So what's going on?
You did.
You did. You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away. We've asked you to
So I'm not
stay
trying to
here
run
and
away. I've
get
asked you a
someone
question.
to
Am I
look.
detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you're outside police station.
I can
with
be
your
outside the
car.
police
No, you
station.
can't.
Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at
I
the
don't
back.
have a police business. I don't need
Well,
to
so
have.
why are you here?
Because I'm
Were
allowed
you
to fly it.
drunk?
I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you're
Of
not.
course I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed
you're
to
not.
fly it.
Go to the park and fly it, but
No, I
not
want to
over
fly
the
it here.
police station.
You don't own the airspace, do you?
Neither are you. I said go to the park, not
What do you
over
mean,
the
go
police
to the park? Are
station.
you my mum? Like, I don't take orders from you, sorry.
From this point, the situation deteriorates further. One officer asserts that flying a drone isn't permitted there, yet offers no legal basis, no reference to any statute, no mention of the Civil Aviation Authority's drone code, nothing at all. It's another unsupported claim delivered with confidence but no explanation. The DJI Mini 2 falls into the sub-250G category, which is generally allowed to operate in many public areas, including near buildings, as long as it's flown safely and outside restricted airspace. Despite that, the officers treat it as though it presents a serious threat. This kind of conduct is exactly what chips away at public confidence, officers relying on bluff and authority instead of understanding the law, hoping people will comply rather than question them.
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me. You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about, like. Why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
Well, you just tried to. You lot have just put hands on me numerous times.
Over the police
I can't have it
station.
over the
No,
police
you
station.
can't.
Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you
multiple
didn't.
Times.
No,
I
you
already
didn't.
did
Who are you?
multiple times.
Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
Oh, you lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detaining them. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't. You haven't.
So agitated.
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
Asked you a question. Why are you
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic. That's
Why am I
what you are.
pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You've tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. Alright, see ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine. We've got your photo.
You got my photo, now what? No, I need to make a complaint certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
Of course you do.
What do you mean of course I do? You just put hands on me.
Well, you would.
Oh what, because I flew a drone? What, it's
Yeah,
illegal.
over
It's
the
a legal
police-
activity.
yeah,
It's
it
a legal
is.
activity. I'm going to do it again.
Do you have a license to
Yes.
fly this?
Yes, I do.
You?
I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
Well, we need a police officer. We don't need a PCSO in here.
That's very rude, actually.
Do really nothing.
No, but we've asked her to call it in.
But there's nothing like funny going on here.
But what
I
was
need
the
to.
reason?
Can you write me down your collar number, please, so I can make a complaint?
What was the reasoning behind flying it over?
Because I want to do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to
What
do
do you
it.
want to
It's
look
not.
at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things like
No, I
that?
don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well. Yeah. So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up. Right now, I'll put it away because I don't know what you lot are going to do.
You can go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park. I want to have a look inside there. Yeah, I want to look in there, yeah.
Okay then, so we can get a uniform unit and you can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under section, under terrorist act.
Yeah,
There
what
you go.
section? Which section?
It's almost absurd. She can't even identify which section of the Terrorism Act she's referring to, making it clear she doesn't understand the law she's invoking. Yet she repeatedly uses the word terrorism as if it's a blanket justification. That kind of careless intimidation isn't just unprofessional, it crosses into misuse of authority. Instead of relying on facts, officers like this lean on uncertainty and fear, hoping people will simply back down and comply. In doing so, she undermines her own credibility and exposes a lack of legal grounding.
Stop recording me.
What's the what? Because you're looking like a fool. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, because
You're just playing with your hair and that, man. Why didn't you answer some questions? Which section of the Terrorism Act? Is it section 43? See, the difference between me and you, I know what I'm talking about, you don't.
do you now?
Of course I know
So
what I'm talking about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do, and we just leave it at that, forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened, so...
yeah, clearly.
Would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional, is it? Could you say your name?
No, we don't say that.
My name,
You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number too.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's all you need. That's all you need.
That's what you don't need a designation card that lists
I don't
what
accept
police
it.
powers you have.
Look,
You don't need that either.
I've got
You
my
got it.
designation
You got
card
it.
on me.
Alright.
Both PCSOs failed to show their designation cards. Instead, they only provided their names and collar numbers, as referenced under Section 42 of the Police Reform Act 2002. When PCSOs are exercising their duties or using any powers, they are required to present their designation cards if asked. This isn't a mere formality, it verifies their authority and outlines the specific powers granted to them by the Chief Constable. Giving a name and number without producing official identification does not meet that legal standard and once again raises serious concerns about transparency and accountability.
See this guy gonna start white knighting.
You guys okay? Who is flying the drone?
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation.
You don't?
cards.
You're sure about that?
Card is what I have on patrol with me.
So you don't have a card there that shows your... So may I see it? So I can see. I'm speaking to her, I'm not speaking to you.
Mate, can I understand why you're
Mate.
flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand why you're flying the drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our premises.
Yeah.
Why? I just want to
Because I can do it. I wanted to have a look in there.
should look into our into the police station. Have you got any reason for that?
No reason, just recreation. It's a hobby.
Near police buildings.
In a police building?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, it's you.
Am I free to go, yeah?
It's you that is flying the
So
drone.
you're a sergeant, can you take my complaint? So a few of your colleagues and that, they put hands on me and stuff like that when...
Because obviously we
you can't just put hands on me though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes, I didn't even know you're police.
But
Do you know what I mean? I have a right to defend myself. What would happen if I put hands on you?
I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now, I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over
No, I don't need to stand nowhere.
Mate, listen.
Don't make me nothing. Call me sir for one, and if you're going to detain me, tell me I'm being detained.
The auditor's persistence in asking these questions shows a solid understanding of his rights, something everyone should aim to have. When police respond with silence or vague answers, it often points to improper conduct or a stop that lacks lawful grounds.
You ain't going to put hands on me.
No, I will not be, but we would like to understand why.
You're not going to put hands on me. You don't need to understand nothing. Tell me that I'm detained under something and I'll stay. If not, then I'm not staying nowhere. So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no point. If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way.
I haven't put my hands
If
on
you try and stop me from leaving, I'm going to push you out the way. If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively, if anyone puts hands on me, you're going to get put off me. Do you understand?
Right, I do not.
Yeah?
I do not want to escalate.
All right, good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me, hold on. So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
On your radio, can you?
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone over
Right.
Don't
You
put hands on
cannot
me.
just
Don't
fly
put
a
hands on me.
drone.
Yeah,
I
can
want
fly
to
a drone.
understand. Listen. Okay, I'm detaining. Can I understand why are you?
You don't need to
flying
understand
drone
anything.
that's
What are you
going
expected
into-
to find? You've just searched me under section 1 of PACE. What are you expected to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
It's none of your business.
So because this is a police premises, can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me
Mate,
right now?
who
Are
detained-
you not meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just
who
said section 1 of
detained
PACE.
Apparently Mel, with a drone at the Green Police Station, who's now kicking off, caused a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I put 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping me, search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you
Listen,
trying to find
mate.
drugs? Are you trying to find weapons? I don't understand. Well, what are you trying to find? You're talking about section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of PACE. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to?
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone over the police station? Is it that what you expect? But is it that's what you expect? Nothing's going to happen, yeah?
Well, I don't expect this. I certainly don't expect.
very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect
so
this.
you very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I
So
asked you to put hands on me and
therefore,
surround
you
me
are
and-
in a
and
position where you
threaten to
are
search
at the
me in
moment.
Section 1 of pace. I did that, did I?
Yes,
You're the
you
one
did.
that launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit. Like,
Well,
we
yeah,
could've just
because
had a
you
conversation.
were flying
If you could have
from
just waited
over
for
the
some
police
comms. You
station.
could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
He stopped and said, why are you flying the drone? And you got
You know,
out.
I don't think you're in the right job. Like, you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, and now you've put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What's sticky situation, mate?
Because what have you just messed up, bro? You just put hands on me, Section 1 of pace. Oh, now, so what are the grounds for the search? So I'm detained now, yeah? I'm detained under Section 1 of pace.
Yeah.
But no one's speaking
I need
to you,
to find
please.
out what's going on, please. Just
So
give
you
me
can't
1
detain
minute.
me to find out what's going on, Sergeant?
Listen, if you're flying a drone, what they have told me, if you have flown a drone into this premises,
But how does that suggest that I got weapons or drugs or stolen
mate,
goods
I
on
do.
me?
I
under
want
Section
to
1 of
know
pace?
what.
So why have you used Section 1 power?
I need to.
No,
just
answer the
give me-
question. No, answer the question, please. I have a right to know why you've used the Section 1 power.
It's his powers. He can use the powers he wants. They're not your powers, aren't they?
Well, all right, I have a right to know why he's using the power.
Well, he
as
gave,
a citizen
he
who's
gave
subject
you.
to
He
the same
gave
power.
you.
He didn't give me anything.
He gave you his
You just put him in a
information.
situation where he felt like he had to detain me. He couldn't think on the spot, so he's come up with Section 1 of pace. What the hell is going on here? Why have none of you lot in uniform as well? Could you please stop interjecting? No, I understand, but you're familiar with Section 1 of pace. You've used Section 1 of pace. Is it a search power or is it a stop power?
If he feels as if he needs to use Section 1 of pace,
It's not really answering the question, is it? It's not about feelings, is it? It's not about I feel like I want to use Section 1 of pace.
I don't need to answer it.
Then why are you answering?
If he feels he needs to use his Section 1 pace power, he can use his Section 1 pace.
It's not good. It's not good, Patel, man. Like, you should know better than that, bro. Come on. You know it's a search power. We all know it's a search power.
I know it's a search
So all right. So what's this right now?
Okay.
What's going on right now?
He's detained by him. I can't justify
Okay.
his actions.
No, you don't have any sort of idea, any sort of opinion.
That's up to him.
I'm not asking you to justify anything. I'm just asking you. We can all agree that it's a search power.
One, but I have to stop you now under Section 42 of the Terrorism Act.
So am I still detained under Section 1?
No, you're not detained under Section.
Okay,
1.
so I'm free to go now, yeah?
No, you're not free. But I can tell you now.
Okay.
You've been detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act 2000.